In this video, I want to discuss the subject of dates in Excel. There are right and wrong ways to express dates in Excel. Let me show you a few examples. In this first example, I'm going to use dashes to separate days, months and years. In the second example, I'm going to use forward slashes to separate days, months and years. Watch what happens when I enter the Enter key. It changes the forward slashes to dashes. I'm now going to use decimal places to separate days, months and years. I'm now going to enter a second date in the column next to it. Now watch what happens when I fill in the next 5 columns to make a week. You'll see that rows 1 and 2 correctly filled across to row G. Row 3, however, has a few issues. Instead of filling in the 3rd of the 1st of the 18th, it's filled in the 1st of the 1st of the 19th. And then the 2nd of the 1st of the 19th. And then the 1st of the 1st of the 20th. You can see that Excel does not like working with decimal places as separators for dates. It's my recommendation that whenever you're working with dates in Excel, that you never use decimal places as separators for days, months and years. If we want to change how these dates are expressed, we can highlight over these cells and click the Format button and click Format Cells. We are then presented with a prompt box called Format Cells. We select the date category option, and then we're provided a list of expressions to choose from. Watch what happens when I choose a descriptive expression. You can see that rows 1 and 2 correctly expressed the dates as we intended, but row 3 did not. That's because we use decimal places. I strongly urge all Excel users not to use decimal places to express dates in Excel.